Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's Odd. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a chicken ginger asparagus stir fry. This is such an easy spring meal. I've made this a few times now since I did the recipe testing for it. I really enjoy it. It comes together super fast and just utilizes all those really great spring flavors. So I hope that you guys will like this one as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. Okay everybody, we are back with a taste test of the ginger asparagus chicken, however you want to call it. Again, like I said, I really like this dish. It's super easy to put together. You can use any kind of mushroom you want. I used portobello because I just like that earthy, meaty flavor that it gives. I use chicken breast. You can certainly use a boneless, skinless chicken thigh if you like. And then, of course, the asparagus and the ginger are a must. So here, I'm just going to give you a bite shot. So this is kind of, I just put a little bit in a dish here. It's kind of what it looks like. I like this one. I like that one a lot. This one, if you're like less of a ginger fan, you can use less. If you don't like ginger at all, then this recipe isn't for you. But you can use more if you want it to be kind of spicy. If you use a lot more ginger, then it gets kind of spicy. If you're missing that spice with AIP, I know that I do sometimes. You can, if you've reintroed rice, obviously rice is okay to eat with it. Otherwise, cauli rice is really good with this. Or I like this just as is, because it's kind of a whole meal in and of itself, minus carbs. So most of us eat lesser carb for some of our meals, so it's perfectly fine for that. It's a one dish wonder in terms of that. So it's got all your veggies, it's got a little bit of fat, it's got the protein in it. You're good to go. This one I love. I make it a bigger batch, and then I take it for lunches to work. So it's great for a batch cook. I haven't frozen it. I think it wouldn't be as good frozen because the asparagus would get kind of weird, I think, after it frozen and reconstituted. But it does do fine in the fridge for a couple of days. So feel free to make a big batch, or this makes about 4 sort of normal size servings per person. So you can just make 1, put 3 in the fridge, have 1 for dinner or lunch, and you're good to go. So I hope you guys like this one as much as we do, and we'll see you in the next video.